Hello guys, this is Saichur and you are watching Never Settle channel. Today is the ninth day of my English speaking challenge. Today is November 1st. This is the month start. Okay, today topic is baldness. I don't have baldness, but lot many people will get baldness at the age of 20 plus or 25 plus. Today I will share some thoughts and why they get baldness. Uh, okay, let's start the topic. The the main question is, why do we have hair naturally? This is because the protection we want from nature. That's why our uh, body will grow hair, but we are wearing clothes for protection nowadays. From not in this year, from before 1 2 lakhs before years, the humans don't have clothes. They live in forest and they have only hairs on their body to protect them. So they lived better life with better hair, but we are now using clothes. That's why we are not getting hair on our body. Okay, the lifestyle, if we change our lifestyle, the body will also change according to that. Baldness is baldness, first of all, meaning of baldness is hair loss. If you lose hair, it's called baldness. Baldness mainly uh, baldness mainly get in we get by yeah, strucking I'm strucking. There are only three main reasons behind the baldness. Females also get to baldness. Uh, the reasons are, first of all, genetic issue. If your family members, or if your father, or if your grandfather, or anyone anyone they have baldness, then you will get baldness. If they don't, you don't get the baldness by genetics. Okay, then next is hormonal imbalance. It is something like lifestyle. If your lifestyle is if your lifestyle and if your if your health is not okay, then you will get baldness. So yesterday, that's why I spoke about the health and fitness related topics, uh, last two videos of my English speaking challenge. Okay, that's why you need to care of your health. And the third one is aging. If you are getting old, then you will get baldness. It is slightly wrong, because everyone not get baldness on aging basis. Okay, the first reason that we can't do anything, because genetics, they will follow us in every year and every situation. So we can't do anything. We have uh, so many methods to grow hair. Okay, I will talk about those methods in last couple of minutes in this video. The second one is hormonal imbalance. This is caused because of non-healthy lifestyle. Okay, non-healthy lifestyles means you need to sleep almost 6 to 8 hours daily, and also you need to eat proper diet and healthy food also. And also you need to clean your hair. You need to clean your hair with proper shampoos. Don't use chemicalized shampoos. In our market we have so much chemical shampoos there. So if you use those chemical shampoos, then your scalp, this is scalp, inside this air, it is scalp. If you use the chemical shampoos, then you will lose hair. So don't use chemical shampoos. Try to use the natural shampoos. There is no natural shampoo, but you can prefer some natural shampoos. Research on them and apply to your head. Use it. You need to clean up your scalp almost a week, not a weekly, almost try to daily. But in this Hyderabad city we don't have proper water. Water also we can't believe on this water. Water also have some chemicals, so we can't believe. So try to wash your head daily basis, and apply some non-chemical what is the product, conditioners, non-chemicalized conditioners, to so they can give some extra strength to your scalp. And the third one is aging. If you are getting old, your body strength will be weak, so that's why you will get hair loss. But if you maintain a healthy lifestyle, then you will your body will get your body and your scalp will get more energy and etc. So that's if you are healthy, then you will not get any hair fall in future also. We saw so many people in 90s and 60s, they are not scalped, they are not baldness, they don't have baldness. Ratan Tata, you can see the example. He is 85 years old and he doesn't have baldness on his head. I think, I don't know, I didn't see his head. So aging doesn't matter if you are not if your family members have, if you are not a genetic related person, then it's not a matter. So you will, aging is doesn't matter. If you are not a genetic problem related person, then you can grow hair, you can protect your hair by living a healthy lifestyle, and also uh, nothing. Okay, now I will tell the remedies methods. Now I will tell the methods to grow hair. One is, if you get the baldness, then you there is a treatment called hair transplantation. It is something like they use the hair from your body part, where from your body part, and put it on your head. It's called hair transplantation. It is a treatment, but I think it is costly. Wait a minute. Hair transplantation is something like a operation. In this hair transplantation, we have so many methods also. One method is taking some part of healthy hair part and attach into your baldness, something like if you have here uh, if you have better hair here, then they will take some part from this and they will attach here. And another part is they will remove here, they will take some hair from here and they will attach here. It is surgical parts, so I don't want to explain into deeply about this. Okay, this is a surgical part. If you do this treatment, the result will be shown in a year. It will take almost 1 year to show the results. So it is something like surgical part, so it's not recommendable. If you are genetic person, you can choose this. And the natural ways of hair growth is it is almost no, but you can grow. You need to live a healthy lifestyle, and live a non-stressful life also. Okay, this is the ninth video about baldness on men. Okay, the topic is very important because so many people get hair loss in these days. So try to avoid non-healthy lifestyle and also get in fit and stylish, be stylish, and uh, do learning and explore the world. Okay friends, this is the video about what? This is the video about uh, baldness of men. ओके, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय।